Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. In this video, we will talk about how to hide WhatsApp status. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Now, at the upper right corner, tap on the three dot icon, click on the settings. Now, click on privacy. Here, you will see different options. Tap on status. Now, you have three options under who can see my status updates. By tapping on the middle one, My Contact Accepts, you can select the contacts from whom you want to hide the status. And after selecting that, at the bottom right corner, tap on the right button. And by tapping on the Only Share with option, you can select only those contacts with whom you want to share the status. And after that, at the bottom right corner, tap on the right option. And this was one of the way. There is one more option available to hide your WhatsApp status. For this, open your WhatsApp app. At the bottom, tap on the Updates option. Now, at the upper right corner, tap on the three dot icon. Now, tap on the Status Privacy, and you will get the same procedure as before. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.